It's time to break down what I believe are the 9 essential blazers and sport coats every guy needs in his wardrobe. Now, whether we're talking about a day at the office, date night, or just a casual weekend, the right blazer or sport coat can instantly elevate your style. From the classic navy blazer to a bold statement piece, when it comes to the best blazer and sport coats, I've got you covered. The ones that will help to keep you looking sharp in any occasion. Now, if you're new here, welcome, Jeff, your Style O.G. On this channel, we discuss various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. If any or all those topics interest you, I invite you to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Roberto Sanchez, salute. Now, to kick off our list of the 9 blazers and sport coats you should consider having in your wardrobe, to start anywhere else would be uncivilized. Every guy needs that classic navy blazer. Now, the navy blazer is an essential for any stylish guy because of its timeless appeal and versatility. A classic blazer pairs with just about anything: your jeans, your chinos, your trousers, and you can wear it in a wide range of situations. Some are casual, semi-casual, business meetings, a night out of town, or just kicking around on the weekends in an elevated way. The navy blazer gets it done. And the reason why the navy blazer is a great choice, it's a color that matches just about every skin tone, making it work in a wide range of situations for a wide range of guys. Think of the navy blazer kind of as a neutral that will polish up any outfit. And unlike a trendy blazer you might grab as a more bold statement piece, you can go to the navy blazer season after season after season. The ultimate blazer that every guy should start with, the no-brainer choice, you gotta have that navy blazer. Now, next up on the list, we have the sport coat that should immediately come to mind when you think of cooler weather, the ultimate fall and winter classic. Every guy should consider having a tweed sport coat. The great thing about the tweed sport coat, it's a great combination of versatility, elegance, and rugged charm. Perfect for when the temperature begins to drop, but it still gives you that sophistication that you need in a sport coat. And another great thing about the tweed sport coat, it works just as well with dressing up your jeans or polishing up a formal cold weather look. Working very easily with your wool trousers, your chinos, and your dark denim. Another great thing I like about the tweed sport coat, it kind of gives you that distinguished vintage look. Versatile enough for a countryside weekend, but working just as well at a business meeting. The tweed sport coat provides a balance of practicality, comfort, versatility, and style, making it an essential sport coat to have for the cooler weather. Now, of course, with the tweed sport coat being the ultimate choice for cold weather, for our next selection on our list, it only makes sense to go to quintessential warm weather choice. Without a doubt, you definitely want to have a linen blazer. Now, we're talking about a great combination of comfort, practicality, and elegance when that temperature is rising. It gets no better than the linen blazer. With that linen fabric that has a nice texture that gives you a polished and relaxed look, but at the same time being lightweight, breathable, and moisture wicking, nothing will serve your more polished, dressier looks during the summer or spring than a linen blazer. Great for days at the office during the warm weather, beach vacations, summer weddings, or summer date nights. It gets no better than the linen blazer. And linen blazer's versatility allows it to be paired with a lot of different things. I'm talking about your chinos, your jeans, or your lightweight trousers, making it easy to dress up or dress down. The linen blazer's ability to maintain style while keeping you comfortable at the same time makes it clutch, making it a must-have warm weather addition to any guy's wardrobe. But what about the times when it is warm, but the linen blazer might be a little too laid back and the wrinkles take away from some of the polish? For those times, I recommend the versatile khaki cotton blazer. Now, the khaki cotton blazer offers versatility, practicality, and comfort, but in a more structured way than a linen blazer. The lightweight cotton blazer, although it does add more structure, it has the breathability of cotton, making it an ideal choice for warmer weather because it gives you that breathability, but still gives you the elegant appearance. Not to mention the great neutral khaki color of the khaki cotton blazer, the ultimate neutral, pairing with just about any other color you have in your warm weather wardrobe. And another great thing to me about the khaki cotton blazer, it walks that fine line. More polished than the linen blazer, but more warm weather appropriate than your typical wool blazer, making it an excellent choice for your more polished warm weather situations. The ultimate effortless warm weather blazer, grab yourself a khaki cotton blazer. Now, next up we have the blazer sport coat that you want to grab if you want something with a little more visual interest, some depth, some character. You definitely want to have in your rotation a textured blazer. Now, whether we're talking about a wool blend, a velvet, or in this case, a nice corduroy, textured blazers stand out from your typical fabrics you often see in wool blazers, giving you some attention to detail that will catch people's eyes. Perfect for the time when you want to elevate your appearance, but not come off as too formal or stuffy. Different textured blazers add a little bit more personality and some playfulness to your outfit. And despite the added depth and character, they're easy to pair with jeans, chinos, or trousers. When you're grabbing the textured blazer, you're throwing on something that shows you have an attention to detail, and it gives you the ability to stand out in an effortless way. Wear it for evening events, creative office situations. A great way to show some personality, character, depth, and visual appeal, grab yourself a textured blazer. And next up, we have another great selection if you want to take a step up from the traditional blazer or sport coat, but maybe without the texture of the last one. You definitely might want to grab yourself a pattern blazer or sport coat. Now, the pattern sport coat or blazer gives you visual flair, personality, just adding a great bit of visual interest to any outfit. Say, for example, what I love here, this great tartan blazer. This is a great way to add some personality to what otherwise might be a boring look. A great choice to wear in casual situations, creative workplaces, formal, semi-formal situations. Pattern on your blazer just gives great visual interest and once again shows you have an attention to detail. A pattern blazer allows you to stand apart from the crowd, but still do it in a sophisticated and elegant way. So when you're ready to step away from maybe the more traditional boring looks, a great way to do it, grab yourself a pattern blazer. Now, next up on the list of the 9 blazers and sport coats you should consider having in your rotation, we're getting back more to some practicality. Another one of the best cold weather choices. You can never go wrong with a classic charcoal wool blazer or sport coat. Now, we're talking about another ultimate combination of practicality, comfort, warmth, and sophistication. The charcoal wool blazer definitely fits the bill. The dark neutral color of the charcoal wool blazer enables you to wear it with a wide range of color choices, outfits, and situations. I believe it allows effortless transition from situations such as semi-casual, formal, or for that cold weather date night. The charcoal wool blazer, money. And of course, its classic warmth and durability makes it a great investment for cold weather seasons to come. Its structured yet understated style allows you to have an elegant put-together look, whether at the office or a dinner event. The charcoal wool blazer or sport coat allows you to blend sophistication, ruggedness, and functional warmth all with one piece. When we're talking about a cold weather classic that works for just about any guy, grab yourself a charcoal wool sport coat or blazer. Now, next up on the list of the 9 blazer and sport coats you should consider having in your wardrobe is one of my personal favorites over the last several years. And I happen to be rocking one right now. I absolutely love the double-breasted blazer. I love the double-breasted blazer because it exudes style, power, confidence, and sophistication. With its structured fit, wider lapels, and overlapping front, the double-breasted blazer gives you a sharp, authoritative silhouette whenever you step out in it. And I think it's an excellent selection for guys who, when grabbing a blazer, want to make a bold, polished statement, whether at business meetings, formal events, or upscale social events. To me, the double-breasted blazer just adds a sense of gravitas and sophistication that the single-breasted blazer can't compete with. So when you want to come across as authoritative, bold, and stylish, look no further than the double-breasted blazer. Now, next up on the list, we're getting more into our advanced moves. A blazer to grab when you have most of the other situations covered. I absolutely believe you should consider having a bold statement blazer or sport coat. Now, we're talking about a great way to inject personality, flair, and attention to detail. That bold piece gets the job done. Whether we're talking about a bold pop of color, or in this situation, a great pattern like this black watch, this one helps me make a statement because not only does it have this black watch fabric, it actually has a shawl collar tuxedo look to it. But no, it's not from a tuxedo, it's a blazer. It's a great way to add an eye-catching detail to what otherwise might be a boring look. Just like with anything else in your wardrobe, a statement piece keeps the rest of the outfit very unfussy. What I mean by that, pair with neutral colors like black, gray, white, dark denim. To me, the bold color or pattern blazer is the equivalent of a splash of paint on a blank canvas. A great way to show your individuality and your adventurous side. Okay, so there you have it. My picks for the 9 blazers and sport coats every guy should consider having in his wardrobe. Now do me a favor, let me know in the comment section which of these blazer and sport coat styles are your favorites. And if you enjoyed this video and found it informative, I highly recommend you check out a recent video I did about the clothing items you should consider getting rid of. You can check it out right here.